Hi everyone! Have you ever been deep into designing a specific level or UI in Unity? And then when you want to test the game, you realize you have to manually switch back to the splash screen or main menu scene first. It's a common frustration. Most of us have a game manager or global singleton that must be initialized in the starting scene. If you press play from a random level scene, the game usually breaks because those essential scripts aren't running. Constantly navigating through your project folders just to find and open that starts scene is a huge flow breaker. Well, I've built a handy little tool to solve exactly that. With this Start Scene selector, you can designate your official starting point once and forget about it. Whether you are currently editing level 50 or a settings menu, you just hit the custom tool button and Unity will automatically launch the game from your predefined start scene. No more manual scene switching, no more broken managers, and no more wasted time. It's all about keeping your focus on the development. To get your hands on this tool, simply click the link in the description below. I've shared the package there, so you can import it and start using it right away. I hope this little utility saves you as much time as it does for me. If you find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Unity tips and dev tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.